If you've got ideas, you're sitting on a goldmine, and YouTube is the platform that can turn them into serious income. You don't need a fancy setup, just a smart system and consistency. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn simple ideas into cash-flowing content. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more real ways to grow online. Let's get started. 1. Realize the value. Your daily thoughts, experiences, or hobbies hold more value than you probably understand. Millions of people search YouTube daily for answers, stories, insights, tips, and inspiration. Even simple ideas like daily routines, life lessons, or mistakes can attract loyal audiences. You do not need to be an expert, just authentic, clear, and focused on solving one clear problem. Value is found in simplicity, not complexity. What you overlook could change someone's entire day. If one person would listen to your advice in real life, many more might click and watch online. There is always an audience for your perspective, you just need to frame it as helpful or new. People connect more with relatability than perfection. Your flaws can become your secret edge. 2. Choose a topic. Pick a niche that aligns with your skills, passion, or experience you must enjoy creating often. Popular niches include finance, motivation, gaming, productivity, health, stories, and learning. Avoid chasing trends you do not care about, or burnout will crush your consistency and joy. The best niche is one where you can talk for hours and still feel energized after each upload. YouTube rewards creators who build topic authority and keep audiences returning again and again. A narrow topic helps you stand out, build loyal subscribers, and grow faster with lower effort. You can start general and niche down later, but clarity early on helps create a lasting brand. 3. Plan video ideas. Brainstorm at least 50 video ideas so you're never stuck or unsure what to post next online. Use YouTube search, Reddit, Quora, and forums to see what your audience is actively asking for. Great ideas answer specific questions and have clear titles that spark curiosity and interest. Use how to, best ways, top 5, or this changed my life formats to boost click potential. When possible, add your personal angle. Your story or voice is what separates your content. Look at what similar creators are doing, then improve or simplify it in your unique voice. Start with low-effort videos that help you build skills before investing in complex production. Your first goal is learning and improving, not perfection or viral hits in the beginning phase. 4. Script smartly. A clear script keeps your videos focused, engaging, and structured for better viewer retention. Write an attention-grabbing hook in the first 10 seconds to pull viewers into your topic fast. Follow with a quick intro, then dive into the content without fluff or endless personal tangents. Use short sentences, punchy transitions, and natural phrasing to sound human and confident. Add curiosity gaps to make people stay. Hint at what's coming without revealing it too early. Organize your script in 3 parts: intro, core content, and conclusion or call to action. Speak directly to one person, not a crowd. It feels more intimate and keeps engagement strong. Use real-life examples, simple language, and personal experiences to maintain attention longer. 5. Record easily. You do not need fancy gear. Start with a smartphone, a quiet room, and natural lighting setup. If you prefer not to show your face, use screen recordings, stock clips, or faceless narration. Voiceover videos, animations, or B-roll montages are all valid and profitable YouTube formats. Consistency beats quality in the beginning. Just record regularly and aim to improve with time. Use free tools like OBS Studio, Canva, and CapCut to create and edit without costly expenses. Eliminate background noise, use subtitles, and add motion graphics to boost viewer retention. Keep videos under 10 minutes if you are a beginner. Shorter content is easier to finish. Speak clearly, smile while talking, and use pauses to make your voice feel more engaging. 6. Upload and optimize. When uploading, use searchable titles that include keywords your ideal viewer is typing in. Your title should make people curious and offer a clear benefit. What's in it for the viewer? Create custom thumbnails using free tools like Canva to grab attention and boost your clicks. Thumbnails should include bold text, facial expressions, or icons that tell a visual story. Write detailed video descriptions with relevant keywords, summaries, and timestamps if needed. Add tags related to your topic, niche, and specific ideas discussed within the video content. Use end screens and cards to promote your other videos or prompt viewers to subscribe now. Choose a strong video category and make sure your content is marked correctly for the platform. 7. Monetize creatively. YouTube ads are just the beginning. There are many ways to monetize your growing attention. Promote affiliate products in your niche and earn passive income from links under each video. Create a simple digital product, an ebook, checklist, or course and sell it to your audience. Offer services like coaching, editing, or consulting if your content solves real-life problems. Set up merchandise, fan donations, or Patreon if you have a loyal and engaged subscriber base. Use YouTube memberships to offer exclusive perks, like private videos or behind the scenes. Drive traffic from YouTube to your newsletter, blog, or other platforms for cross-monetization. Brand deals come once your channel grows. Companies will pay to sponsor content in your style. 8. Track performance. Check your YouTube Studio dashboard weekly to see which videos are bringing the best results. Focus on watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention for long-term channel growth. See which thumbnails and titles get more clicks. Double down on formats that perform well. Track how long people stay before leaving and improve intros to keep them watching longer. Look at comments to spot content gaps, pain points, and common questions from viewers. Use Audience tab to see what other channels your viewers watch and why they like that style. Analyze spikes in views to understand which keywords or moments triggered better visibility. Measure, learn, and adjust data is how you scale without burning out or wasting energy. 9. Stay consistent. Most creators quit after 3 months. Those who win simply post long enough to master the process. Create a weekly schedule and treat it like a job. Consistency builds trust with your audience. Batch filming and editing on weekends frees your time and keeps uploads going during chaos. Set manageable goals. 1 video a week is better than daily uploads that burn you out fast. Progress is exponential. Your 10th video is better than your first, and your 50th is even stronger. Don't get discouraged by low views early on. YouTube channels grow in waves, not linearly. Each video is a seed, some sprout later, but all add value and depth to your digital property. Stay active in your niche by commenting, networking, and collaborating with other creators. When things get hard, remember why you started: your voice, your ideas, and your freedom. YouTube rewards consistency more than luck. Algorithm favors channels that keep showing up. 10. Think long-term. Do not chase fast fame. Build a brand that lasts by solving problems with your content daily. Your early work may go unseen, but it is building skills and systems that will scale later. Think of your channel as digital real estate. Videos become assets that grow in value over time. Keep learning. Study top creators, take courses, read books, and sharpen your creative tools. Reinvest earnings into better tools, content upgrades, or automation that buys back your time. Create playlists, group your videos by topic, and guide viewers into deeper binge sessions. Engage with your community. Answer comments, ask questions, and appreciate loyal viewers. Your best ideas are still coming. Do not let short-term obstacles stop a long-term masterpiece. Plan your income strategy across 1, 3, and 5 years. Think like an online business. Update old videos with better titles or thumbnails to refresh traffic and views continually. Treat every idea like a product. Market it, improve it, and let it build your library of value. The true goldmine is in your consistency, creativity, and commitment to lifelong content. Your ideas are more valuable than you think. All they need is the right platform and process. Which idea are you ready to turn into income? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, faceless content strategies, and passive income blueprints. Stay tuned for more ways to monetize your creativity.